In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to disable or turn off the touch screen on your Windows. To do that guys, you have to just search for device manager. So here's the device manager guys, you have to just click on this. Now if your PC or if your laptop is touch screen, now you have to just click on this, or you have to expand this human interface devices guys, and in this human interface devices, if your laptop is touch screen, then you will find here that touch screen device like this guys. As you can see in this image, you will see a HID compliant touch screen device. So you just need to right click on it and you will see enable and disable option. Just click on disable option. So yeah, hope you like it guys. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.